Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming 3 essentials: a Google account, an internet connection, and the latest Google app. Open the Google app now, tap your profile to verify the signed-in account. Once done, grant the requested permissions, microphone, location, because Assistant needs them to listen and provide contextual results. Make sure to enable Wi-Fi for faster setup and keep Bluetooth off unless you plan to pair a speaker. This gets the groundwork right and moves you directly into Assistant setup. Next, enable Google Assistant from the Google App settings. Tap More, then Settings, then Google Assistant. Turn the toggle on and follow prompts to set voice match so Assistant recognizes you. This improves personalization and secures sensitive info. Choose 1 or more languages to match your speech. Then configure personal results, set default media or navigation apps, and create a simple routine like Good Morning. These steps customize behavior so Assistant acts the way you expect during daily. Finally, verify the setup by saying, "Hey Google," and asking a basic question. This confirms wake word detection and response. If you use multiple devices, sync them in Assistant settings and add smart home devices by tapping Add Device. Make sure routines trigger and media plays from your chosen provider. If something goes wrong, try one key tip. Restart the app and device, then recheck microphone and location permissions. If issues persist, clear the Google App Cache and repeat voice match to rebuild recognition accuracy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.